Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to switch to a creator account on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So from Instagram here, you want to go to the profile section down here. Now on the profile section, you want to click on the three bars at the top here. Now on top, you want to scroll down until you find account type. Keep scrolling down and there you go, account type. Just tap on that and then let's switch to a professional account. Now from the professional account, later we're also going to switch to a creator account. So switch to professional account, click on next, click on whatever categories you are. So I'm just going to choose artist, then switch to professional account like this. Now let's just wait for it to load. And of course we want to be a creator, so select creator account, click on next again. I'm just going to tap not now. And then that's it. You're done. You can exit out and now you're a professional account that's a creator. So that's basically how you can switch to a creator account on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.